Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make word grid step by step. Start by choosing a grid size and a clear theme, then build a word list with long anchor words first. Sketch the grid lightly and place anchors where they intersect naturally. Fill remaining spaces with shorter words and adjust for symmetry and balance. Test readability and tweak word placement until everything fits and looks tidy and engaging for players. Begin by locating the longest words in the list and placing them to form the grid's backbone, using intersections to save space. Aim for even distribution across rows and columns so the grid feels balanced. Use common letters at crossing points to improve flexibility when adding shorter words later. Keep the layout readable and avoid overcrowding, then step back and verify that anchors support smooth completion for the solver. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos and tutorials. Quick recommendation: the leak-proof meal prep containers I use keep snacks and energy up during long design sessions, making breaks easier and cleaner. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab one if it helps your workflow. Thanks for that support. Now let's get back to the video. After anchors are set, fill gaps with medium and short words to create cohesive connections across the grid. Swap words that cause dead ends and tweak placements to improve solvability and flow. Check for unintended offensive words and adjust letters as needed. Finally, add numbering, a clean font, and subtle borders to enhance readability, then test with a friend to catch issues before sharing or publishing the finished word grid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.